Well, everyone, according to Mark Gurman, Apple's doing something with their Apple Card that they've never done before, and I think you guys need to know about it. Let's get into it. So just to add a bit of context here in the US especially, credit card issuers will incentivize people to sign up for their credit cards via a sign-up bonus. Normally you have to spend X amount of money during a certain time span and then receive some sort of cash back, so $500 within a 3-month period of spend, you'll be able to get maybe $100 cash back or $200 cash back, or maybe their points and miles currency as well. And the Apple Card is notoriously known for having no sign-up bonus. Every now and then we'll see maybe a $50 or $100 sign-up bonus, but it's very far in between. 95% of the time there is no sign-up bonus. But according to Mark Gurman, that's changing starting next week. Apparently the new Apple Card incentive for a sign-up bonus is if you apply for the card, get approved, and you buy a pair of AirPods Pro 3, Apple will then give you daily cash back worth up to those AirPods Pro for $249. So it will essentially cover the purchase of a brand new pair of AirPods Pro 3 minus the taxes associated with them. So for a zero-fee annual card, getting a $250 sign-up bonus immediately once you make that purchase is something unheard of in the miles and points game. Now, it remains yet to be seen if this is going to be in-store or online. As of right now, it looks like it's going to be in-store only, but definitely stay tuned and follow 9to5Mag to see if you will be able to apply for the credit card and get this deal and incentive if you do apply online. And also, this will be for new Apple Card users, not current Apple Card users. But depending on when you're watching this, up to May 18th, if you are a current Apple Card user, if you add an authorized user and they spend $100 within the first 30 days, you'll get $100 of daily cash back as well. So take advantage of that while you still can. And we believe Apple's doing this because of the whole Goldman Sachs and Chase transition, Chase acquiring the Apple Card from Goldman Sachs and trying to get more users involved and see exactly how many more they can get into the door before they fully transition over to Chase. And I think a $250 incentive and a free pair of AirPods Pro is a great incentive for a card that has zero annual fee. But again, this is going to be a good deal if you're already planning on getting a pair of AirPods Pro, if you've been thinking about getting the Apple Card and you plan on being responsible and not carrying a balance. And then I would recommend against this if you already have a pair of AirPods Pro 3 because, again, at the end of the day, there's a bunch of other cards out there that are much better than the Apple Card that are still zero annual fee. They give you much better incentives, much better sign-up bonuses, much better spending multipliers. I recommend checking out Card Pointers, which I'll link down below, if you guys are curious to see which cards have kind of the best spend multipliers and what makes sense for most people. But if you're a diehard Apple fan, you've been thinking about getting the Apple Card and you want to see what it's all about, starting next week will be one of the best times to do so because we've never seen a sign-up bonus quite like this for the Apple Card. But let me know in the comment down below, are you an Apple Card user currently? Are you thinking about applying for one? Is this AirPods Pro 3 incentive enough to really kind of sway you into getting one? Let's discuss in the comments down below. I've been an Apple Card user since day one, and the only thing that I use it for is for 0% financing on Apple products. I don't use it for anything else outside of that. But let me know in the comment down below if you made it to the end, leave a little dolphin, and if you guys want to watch more videos like this, check out one of these videos right here. Until next time, I'm Fernando. Peace.